Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. Get better soon, Claire. We're doing Clarencenyc hilarious story time with Cenat.
But I was outside yesterday.
Was that Georgia State University?
I'm with Kai, right? Me and Kai in the car. You know what I'm saying? We go bowling, right? We go bowling, boom, we bowling. Woo. Mad competitive. Kai, Duke, and Deshae, right? We bowling, right? Boom. Duke win the first game. Second game, I swear I was gonna win. I swear I was gonna try to win. Just shut off, and then we had to go to the club, right? Before we get to this, how I knew I was with, like, I don't know what kind of time was on yesterday. This was like, bro, we about to go to the club, right? This is like, yo, let's just spin GSU real quick. First of all, I don't even know what GSU is. You know what I'm saying? I'm in New York, bro. You know what I'm saying? GSU, I thought that was a jail or something. It just sounded like a prison, right? GSU. They said we're gonna spin GSU, right? Bro, when I tell you GSU looks like a movie, bro, we go out there, right? Just doing donuts with Hellcats and C8s in the middle of the street. I've never seen something like this, right? So I'm like, this is what we're spinning? This is what we're spinning? There's no way we could get out the car. Like, this is crazy. This is gonna go crazy, right? This car climbs out the window, climbs on the truck. First of all, he's on the aux. He plays Little Uzi, climbs on the truck, and starts dancing. I'm like, nah. I'm like, yo, yeah, these got it. I'm like, Kai's insane. Kai got it, man. He got it. I think there's definitely a clip. I gotta show y'all so y'all really see.
I need to see what you're talking about, sweetheart. Claire keep it interesting, I tell you that. He be having fun. Like, I know that was a guy's day, but it's like, you want to be there, so I appreciate the clip, bro.
I'm talking about. I got mad Atlanta in my search history. I just came from the Atlanta streetwear market. Bro, I got so many free clothes, bro. It's ridiculous. Hold on. Look at this, gang. Y'all can see the screen? Whoever's car this is done. Like, I know they was sick. Whoever's car.
I know, seriously. That's what I was thinking. Somebody scratching it up. They had fun, though. I mean, that's some real fun right there.
This nigga is A-Town stomping with Prada boots on this nigga's roof. No way this is real. Anyways, that's what I was dealing with.
That was crazy. I've never seen that before. Y'all did that?
With yesterday. Nigga just barked. You never seen Friday where the nigga said, look at my roof. Look at my roof. That's the funniest movie in the world, bro. If you haven't seen that, you're just not culturally inclined.
Yeah, go ahead and watch Friday, y'all. The first one. The second, third kind of get iffy, but like, give me the first one. Chris Tucker.
Bowling was dumb fun though. I really enjoy bowling. Like, I just need to get better.
Dang, I mean, that's Mike Epps. See, y'all, I'm losing it. Mike Epps. Thank y'all. Ooh, I'm ashamed. I need to watch it.
W do say.
Clare Bear was getting sturdy.
That's not happening. Niggas ain't snatching nothing up, nigga. We're securityed up every time we go outside. I just want y'all to know that, bro. If y'all planning on doing...
Yes, please be security up. We need you, Clare. Don't be out there without no security. So I'm glad he know.
Anything stupid, y'all gonna have to go through a lot of shit. I'm just saying. Kai has security. I have security. Deshae has security. Like, we're securityed up. You know what I'm saying? Like, blickied up, all of that. Bulletproof vests, three black trucks. Like, I'm just, niggas not stupid, bro. We not outside. You know what I'm saying? So it was good vibes, and GSU showed mad love. I know a lot of y'all niggas at GSU is failing glad classes though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The way y'all was outside like that, bro. There was this gas station. It was like this racetrack, man. You can't get gas there. If you got gas at that racetrack near GSU, man, you're never getting gas. Like, just don't ever go there for gas, bro. Niggas is using that as the corner to chill. Dead ass. Niggas is using the racetrack as a chill spot. Like, what? Bro, that shit is a movie. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I had to choose a school and I lived in Georgia, I'd probably go there. I'm not gonna lie, I'd probably go there.
Bro, me too. That's a party school. Look like I'm out for it.
Oh, I don't know how I had to put my window up. Once the shorty tried to grab my whole arm, and my arm is like outside the window, like a dog's ears. My arm is like there. I'm like, nah, I'm not doing this. It's over. Shorty grabbed my arm. Like, what are you trying to take my arm home? You trying to take my arm home, shorty? Like, what are you doing? My shit is in the back. Like, why is the car over here, but my arm is in the back of the car? Like, my shit.
She love you, Clare. She love you. She's like, come on with me, boy. She said, I'm gonna steal you out this window. I got his arm, his shoulders next. I got you, girl. She love Clare.
Like this. I'm like, nah. Let me put my window up. This ain't for me. Like, let's just chill.
Somebody said that's me doing it. Girl, don't be no home wrecker.
Someone said that was me doing that. Imagine that shit. I'm like, I'm not even 100% healthy right now. Like, my arm might snap. Bro, that shit felt like Times Square a little bit. Nah, nowhere near Times Square. I'm not gonna lie. New York, I feel like got way crazier. But that shit was close though. Like, it was wild. They was chasing the car. Kyrena with the 5. With the 5 gifted, gang. Appreciate you. Yeah, bro. Do say I'm OD chill, bro. I almost didn't even want niggas to know I was there. Pam with the 10. Love you for that. I really do love you for that, Pam. Good to see you again back in the club, Pam. I've been out the club for a little minute. Good to see you back. But GSU is a wild place, bro. Next time niggas say, yo, let's spin GSU, I'll be ready.
That was fun. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Now I know what spin GSU mean. All right. Like, comment, subscribe.